Hi, this is Lin Bridgeford with Lin's Show and Tell. Today we're going to look at tuning forks. I use this for sound therapy, and I'm going to have a demonstration model to help show you what's going on. These are aluminium, and there are also stainless steel forks in a lovely bag made by my mother. We start off with a C and a G. That's a C256 and a G384 for those who are technically minded about sound. And we use this to clean through the energy. If we take a different C, which is a 4096, we can use it as a diagnostic. So that doesn't really change the sound. What we're looking for is a change in the sound. So if I can have my lovely model, please. And we're going somewhere that we found before. If we go there, there's no change. There, you can hear the squeak. There, no squeak. So then I'm going to use the forks to use that connection from there to ask which fork should I first use. So these are the ones that change the squeak. It is quite subtle, but these are called the Angels. They are 4225 and 4160 Hertz. They're quite shrill and they change energy. Can I do this? Come a little closer. You can hear that the sound becomes smoother. And then let's see what we've done. I can't find anything there that squeaks. So it's a simple demonstration of how you can change things. And we're asking the sound to give us the answer. And you listen to that squeak, and that's disharmony. When you have a smooth sound, that's harmony. I know this might seem strange, and some of you might be wondering, well, what difference does it make to bang a few forks and point them at somebody? And yes, we can hear the sound changes, maybe you don't. But quite simply, we all know that there are pieces of music we listen to that feel good. Now, is that emotion? Is it the frequency of the music? Are we drawn to something more in a particular key? You could say that everything vibrates. Every cell has a frequency. The earth has a frequency. We have a frequency. If you go into a highly charged area, whether it's high-pitched noise or something, it has an impact on your body. If you're more sensitive, you'll realize it. And working with the sound to make these changes, some people notice a difference. And it's like, wow, that's different. And other people go, yeah, that feels nice, or it's no different. But the benefit can be really huge because it releases imbalances and disharmonies from the body. It just simply brings things into balance. It's like listening to the right piece of music at the right time, just to make you feel good. There are many different reactions people might have to this. Some people might feel emotional when something's released. Some people don't notice. I had one pregnant lady would test me out. This was many years ago. Very often with the sound, we would find quite a similar energy in the fetus, in the tummy, as we would in her energy. And she confessed to me that she would come in and not tell me what was going on. And we would find it with the sound, and it was exactly what was going on with her, but she hadn't told me. So that was a lovely confirmation of how the body talks to us and how there are many ways of listening and helping people, but it's just whichever tool seems right at the time.